Welcome to this tutorial on how to delete a Shopify account. Deleting a Shopify account is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. First, log into your Shopify account using your email address and password. Once you are logged in, click on the settings icon at the bottom of the sidebar. This will take you to the settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Shopify account. Next, click on the account option from the settings menu. This will take you to the account page where you can view and edit your account information. Scroll down to the bottom of the account page and click on the Close Shop button. This will take you to a page where you can confirm that you want to close your shop. On this page, you will be asked to provide a reason for closing your shop. Choose a reason from the drop-down menu and then click on the Close Shop button. Your Shopify account will now be closed and you will no longer be able to access it. If you have any outstanding bills or fees, you will still be required to pay them even after your account is closed. It is also important to note that once you delete your Shopify account, all of your data and store information will be lost and cannot be recovered. Therefore, make sure to back up any important data before deleting your account. In addition, if you are using a custom domain with your Shopify store, you will need to update your domain settings before deleting your account. This will ensure that your domain is not lost and can still be used with other services. By following these steps, you can easily delete your Shopify account and close your store. Remember to always back up your data and update your domain settings before deleting your account to avoid any potential issues.